All right, so I just got this portable boost up your car in seconds jump starter. Supposedly this will work on any 12-volt battery. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. Oh look, it comes in a big case. That's nice, right? Let's go ahead and close this up. Just in case we got to send it back if it doesn't work. I want to save the box. All right, so let's take a look and see what's in here. I would think that we'll have the, all right, so this is the machine itself. Let's pop it out of here. All right, so there it is. That's it there. And I think we can pull that off of there. Well, that didn't work, whatever that was. All right, so I believe we may need to charge it. Now, if we look on top here, we've got 2 USBs and a USB-C. So, thinking that's the in and those are outs. All right, so let's take a look over here. So let's see what's in here. Gotta unzip it. I think that these plug in through USB-C, but we'll find out, right? All right, so this must go inside of here somewhere. I'm thinking, like here it is. So you put this on the hot, and this would be on the negative or the body, and then this must plug into the machine. Now, it does come with this, but I don't see no block in here. So let's go ahead and charge it up. I've got a block, and we'll use the block that I've got. I'm going to use my iPhone block, and we'll just plug this sucker in. So this is going to go inside the block, right? Just like that. And then this is going to go in here, like this. Follows me? Right now all we got to do is set that down, and we're just going to plug this in over here. I got enough room. Okay, let's take a look. So it's 85% charged, so we'll let it charge to 95%, and then we're going to try it on Ava's car. Yeah, that's what we're going to do.